Let's look at 6 simple steps you can take to start dividend investing. If you're new to the channel and want to learn how to make money while you sleep, subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll never miss a video. There are 2 primary ways to invest for dividend earnings. The first approach is the do-it-yourself option, which entails researching companies and developing your own standards for choosing which stocks to buy. This method will require a large time commitment, but the good thing is that you'll be completely in control. If you're a newbie, you'll want to educate yourself so you can feel comfortable with investing and reach the success you want. The second and more convenient choice is to invest in dividend-focused mutual funds, or ETFs. You can conduct a little amount of research, choose your favorite option, and then relax since you don't have to do much additional work or research other than looking in on the initial investment every once in a while. Here are some steps you can take to get started. Step number 1, open a brokerage account and fund it. Once you've opened a brokerage account, you may transfer money from your bank account to begin investing. Step number 2, do your research. You'll want to begin researching to figure out which stocks or funds you want to buy after you've opened an account. Step number 3, purchase stocks and funds that meet your guidelines. You can make those purchases using your brokerage account once you've done some research and analysis to determine stocks and funds you want to invest in. The majority of platforms, including Public.com, Robinhood, and M1 Finance, allow you to begin with as little as a few dollars, so you don't need a large amount of money to get started. Step number 4, reinvest the money. This is perhaps the most important part of the entire process. You want to reinvest the dividends for as long as you can in order to acquire more shares. Reinvesting helps you to progress quicker by allowing you to use your dividends to acquire additional shares that produce more dividends, and the cycle continues. Don't accept the dividends in cash until you need them, and delay doing this for as long as possible. Step number 5, keep on adding to your investments. It takes a large portfolio to reach the point where you can live on dividends, and in order to do so, you'll need to continue to add to your investments frequently. A specific goal of how much money you want to contribute each month should be included in your investment plan. Include these monthly contributions in your budget, along with your other monthly expenses. Make investing this money each month a necessity, and you'll be seeing your portfolio grow faster and faster. Step number 6. Stop reinvesting and live off the dividends. Once you've made enough in dividends to cover your living costs, you can stop reinvesting and tap into that dividend income stream to pay your bills. However, if you can keep on reinvesting for an even longer period of time, that's wonderful too. But remember, the ultimate goal of this strategy is to get a cash payment. Click the video on the screen to see another money-making video.